On 28th of June 2009, famous theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking organized a party. He invited only time travelers to the party. On this invitation, the party has written location coordinates. Similarly, it is written that the party will start at 12 o'clock in the night. What do you think about this? Will any time travelers come to that party? If they don't come, what will be the reason for it? In this video, let's find out the answers to all the questions related to Stephen Hawking's party. So watch this video completely without skipping anywhere. Let us start today's episode. First, let's find out about the story of Stephen Hawking's party. To find out whether Stephen Hawking has time travelers or not, a party was formed. What is surprising here is that Stephen Hawking did not invite anyone to that party, and no invitation was given to anyone, because only time travelers should come to this party. That's how they did it. So the day after the party took place, the invitation cards were shared by promoting the party that had already taken place. Stephen Hawking had a strong belief that if any time travelers were there, they would definitely come to the party. They executed the party as Stephen Hawking thought. Even after doing that, Stephen Hawking's party failed. None of the time travelers came to the party. But why none of the time travelers attended the party? To know the answer to this question today, we will talk about 6 most possible theories. Theory 1. According to the first theory, all the time travelers would have come and enjoyed the party. But all this could have happened in a different timeline. All the time travelers in the future would have come to the parks through time traveling. At that time, the timeline of our universe is split into 2 parts. In the first timeline, no one came to Stephen Hawking's party. In the second timeline, all the time travelers will have a party with Stephen Hawking. To understand this concept, you need to know about time traveling, timelines, and parallel universe. If any one of you does not know about these, we have already made a video on all these topics in our channel. So, if you visit that video once, you will understand what I am saying now. Theory 2. According to the second theory, what was said about this is that before the time travel machine was discovered, the invitation cards related to Stephen Hawking's party might have been lost. How? Suppose, after 1,000 years, if the time machine is discovered, then Stephen Hawking's invitation cards might have been destroyed by then. So, the time machine would have been discovered in the future. They also travel to the past, but because they don't have an invitation card, they may not know when Stephen Hawking's party took place. Also, they may not know that there is such a party. With that, no time traveler could reach that party. Theory 3. According to the third theory, a person may not have found any time mission in the future. The entire human race on this earth may have died before man could see the time machine, because no one knows how long a person can live on this earth. Also, no one can predict about this matter, because in the future, due to some unexpected circumstances, the entire life on Earth may have died because of the Third World War and the use of nuclear weapons. Otherwise, if a large asteroid hits the Earth very quickly from space, another terrible mass extinction may occur and life on the Earth may end in the future. Now, what we are talking about is that all that has to happen will end before we think about it. Will such incidents happen? Yes. There is a chance that such things will happen, but no one has any clarity on when they will happen. Therefore, this theory is also said to be one of the most possible theories. Theory 4. According to our fourth theory, we can only move forward in time. That is, it may be impossible to move backwards in time. In the same way, according to Einstein's special theory of relativity, the time moves very fast when we travel at light speed. So we can experience the future before ordinary people. This is how we can travel in the future. But all this is possible only when we achieve light speed. If we want to go into the past, we have to travel with more speed than light. It is impossible to travel with more speed than light. So what kind of time machine will man find in the future? There may be only the possibility of going to the future with it. So even if time travelers know about that party, there is no possibility of going into the past. They couldn't attend that party. Theory 5. According to the fifth theory, all the estimations made by humans are wrong. That is, if the parallel universe doesn't exist, then any kind of time traveling, whether it is future traveling or past traveling, even if a human being is completely destroyed or completely recreated. If this possibility is true, even if a human being finds a time machine in the future, he has been thinking about using it for millions of times. So even if Stephen Hawking knows about a party, no one will come to the party in fear, because after going to the past, every step they take may affect their future, because the world may end because of a small mistake made in the past. That's why time travelers travel to the past and don't come to the party for such reasons. Otherwise, when a time traveler tries to go to the past once in the future due to some terrible incidents that happened, no one will be able to do that after that. Is there any proof for Stephen Hawking's words that no time travelers came to that party? Because after the time travelers came to that party and enjoyed with Hawking, Stephen Hawking may have wiped out his memory. It may have happened like this too, because the technology to wipe out the memory of the time travelers may be there. By the time travelers erasing Hawking's memory and leaving, it seems that nothing will happen to Hawking even if it happens. Stephen Hawking may lie to the world without his knowledge. Nobody will ever know the truth about this. So friends, let us know your opinion about Stephen Hawking's party in the comments. Like and share the video if you like it. Also, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching.